This is Powercode, the IT company that provides custom web and mobile solutions for businesses.
Hi, this is Powercode. My name is Anastasia and I'm a business development manager here. And today I'm going to tell you how you can scale your business, reduce costs, while increasing profits multiple times with web and mobile solutions from Powercode. Powercode has solutions for any business and industry, but today we're going to cover 3 business areas: energy, real estate, and healthcare. And we'll tell how web and mobile solutions can optimize them. Let's say you plan to launch electric car charging station network. In this case, you'll need to get a good spot for each charging station, install those stations, create a favorable environment and conditions for station usage, check the correctness of calculations and usage, keep the stations compatible with all electric cars, and constantly run and maintain the stations, both directly and remotely. Additionally, you'll need to keep up with all electric cars market updates. That's a long list of things to take into account, right? In this scenario, you need to spend plenty of time, money, and other resources on your charging stations and get no revenue in return. Our client didn't want to deal with all of these problems, so we gave them a great solution. Electric Miles is a platform that introduces electric vehicles to domestic batteries and, with the help of artificial intelligence, reduces costs and energy consumption for their customers. We used AI and machine learning capabilities to choose the most efficient time for charging. The timing is based on the range of energy tariffs, vehicle energy requirements, and carbon dioxide emissions. Additionally, this system automatically starts and finishes electric car charging, helping their owners consume less energy. This solution saves money and resources for business owners and their clients, but most importantly, it is eco-friendly and contributes to saving the planet from climate change. Real estate business brings their owners significant profits and sometimes equally large expenses. Facade cleaning is one of the costly yet necessary expenses and requires professional approach and correct calculations. This is where Powercode steps in to help building owners to save their time and money. We created the ATG app so that the real estate companies and entrepreneurs won't think about the mathematical side of cleaning their buildings. In addition, this app will prevent them from facing delayed and exaggerated calculations from cleaning services. Most importantly, this app saves plenty of time needed to calculate the total expenses for cleaning. Let's say you want to renovate the building to keep it clean to attract renters or buyers. After the dirty renovation work is done, all you need to do is open the ATG app, point the camera at the building, and wait a few moments for the system to calculate how much it will cost you to make the building clean and shiny. Then you just save the information and go to the cleaning supply department or to the facade cleaning team that can start their work right away. Powercode provides custom web and mobile solutions for any business and industry. If you want to move your business to the next level and increase profit, we'll gladly build you a business product and turn your idea into a successful reality. In 2021, we can witness how many businesses go online. Companies and small businesses face problems, and digitalization is their only way to survive. The e-commerce field has plenty of digital solutions for online sales. But what do entrepreneurs which provide services like English lessons, fitness training, private medical practice can integrate their business into? Well, here Powercode has a great solution to offer too. We created a web and mobile app that allows therapists to have online appointments with their patients. My Pocket Therapist is a platform where professional therapists can offer their services, set their prices per hour, and share their expertise. At the same time, people who want to find a good therapist can easily do it by setting search parameters. Such custom digital solutions are perfect for every person wishing to monetize their expertise online. With it, businesses don't need to use third-party services and worry about their data protection. By getting a similar platform for your business, the customers will be happy to have you and your services always nearby. And as an entrepreneur, you'll make your business more client-oriented and be one click away from your beloved customers.
Want a software solution customized for your business goals and needs? Visit our website powercode.co.uk and send us your requirements to make your idea a successful reality.